that, Scarlett? Hello? Kuminhando kom duis. Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, guys. Thank you for coming to my live. Pasok lang po tayo habang sa labas ay may mga nagpapasok. Hindi naman karaoke. Wait lang. Don't talk.
What is this? Dancing Queen. I don't even know this one.
Ayan, dali na, oh. Hello, guys. Mag-iwan lang kayo ng bakas sa ating live para mabalikan kayo mamaya.
Watching girl, oh you, dancing like a queen in the sky. Yeah, I don't wanna leave you watching the sky. What are you doing? Stop giving me flowers. And stop, you are gonna get it. But you say it when the queen is gonna watch you from the start. Friday night and the lights are our wall, looking out for the place to go. We were playing they were there the music.
Kumusta kayo, guys? How are you? Tingnan muna natin ulit sa labas kung madami na ang fireworks. Ayan.
Subscribe to when you're gonna, and when you get the chance, you are dancing the queen. You're a sweet, only 7.
Ano nga nakakanta mo, anak? Ba't ganyan? Ha? Hindi mo ayusin. This one, dali,
Hey, you, when you're gonna. How about you can sing? Because I have enough of singing.
You have enough? Okay.
Yeah.
Ako naman daw kakanta, okay?
Lights, camera, action.
Hello? Hello, hello, hello. May bata ditong makulit. Yan. Yan nga pala si Scarlett Colette. Hello, guys. Kasama ko ngayon si Scarlett Colette. Nagla-live kami. Pasok lang. Habang bukas ay walang pasok.
This is actually the Philippines here, but the Philippines, it's here. It's Canada here and Philippines. Canada, Philippines. I call that, okay? So we speak Filipino and Canada. Flying like a fly off the bird. I'm breathing really.
Ba't hindi nag-gona?
You're having like a baby sugar, but I have to call.
Bakit naka-off?
Hello guys, I can show you that I have. Look.
Okay.